Hello there, welcome to our channel Tutorial Guru again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Quora account from your computer. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now first, to delete your Quora account, open up your preferred browser. As I've already opened the Google Chrome and log into your Quora account. You can see I've also logged into my Quora account over here, and on this interface, which is the home page after you land on Quora, you can see your profile picture icon on the top right corner of your screen. I'm hovering by the mouse right now. Click on that, and on this interface you can see the settings option available over here just above the languages. Click on settings, and over here you can see all these interfaces with your email and everything. On the left side there is the privacy button available. Click on privacy, and on this interface scroll down a little bit and you can see the delete account option available over here. Click on delete account, and you'll be required to enter your password over here, and after that click on done, and then your account will be deleted permanently. And there guys, this is how you delete your Quora account from your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.